Hey everyone, Peter Bailey here for another Makeup Monday to make up for a being Monday. It may not be Monday for you, but at least it's Monday for me. It is Monday morning, my first day of work, so I'm going to show you a Sister Smoky Eye that I haven't done in a while. I mean, I do smoky eye a lot, but I don't think I've sat down and like filmed myself doing a smoky eye in a hot minute. And a sister second, I want to do something fun that is still me, but you know, still professional, because we're not going to be no clown with a briefcase. That's one thing that's awesome about creative agencies, is that I get to show up with the face I want to wear. For said Sister Smoky Eye, we are going to Sister Summon the ghost of the Morphe James Charles palette. Let's get into it, sisters. Let's get sister started. I think I'm gonna do a Sister Smoky Eye because you haven't sister seen me do that in a sister second. So I'm just going into the James palette. I really like this as a transition color. It's called Sister something. Punch Me. It just seems appropriate. So I was sister curious about any sister celebrities who unfollowed Sister James. So there have been multiple claims that Demi Lovato has unfollowed, as well as Kim and Kylie. TaTEA, except I checked that one and TaTEA does still follow him, so I don't know. We also got, Miley Cyrus, Shawn Mendes. Sister Shane has sister shared his sister views on the whole sister situation. And I think he sister fed by. So I'm sister softly blending this in. Let's see. Sister C. Also, this video is not to just sit here and bash James, because I obviously don't know all the pieces, and so I'm not going to pretend to know. So we're just gonna sister smoke our eyes. Always put your crease slightly above what you think, of a 45-degree angle up into my brow bone, if that makes sense, rather than like right on like the crease. I just keep adding, and then I keep sister swirling it out. A lot of people are sister sacrificing their palettes, they're coloring over it or like totally destroying them, and that's still a waste of money. Okay, let's do maybe some red. Is that too ambitious? I only have a sister second to spend on this. This like, oh crap. Maybe I am destroying it after all. Nails. This one is called Boutique. I should have watched the video that he explains all these, because I have no idea what any of these are. I'm sister surprised that so many people have an opinion, because do they always? It is so sister sunny today. I'm sister so relieved. I'm pulling at sister straws with these, but I wonder if he's sister sorry or sister sad. Also, I think I realized the universal trick to getting your eyeshadow to look perfect. Spend so much time on it. I also try really hard not to raise my eyebrows, because look, wrinkle, wrinkle, wrinkle. I do see YouTubers who really are like 5, and I'm like, how do you do your makeup like that? I was not even given that option. Maybe I sister stack. Does it look even, Sister Stephen? Yeah, you know the phrase sisters not twins? I bet James like loves that. I wish I had more TaTEA, but I don't. I feel like she's gotten pretty quiet ever since. I feel like she came out, sister said what she wanted to sister say, and then went back to sister sleep. That looks sister sucky. Is that sister same? Don't want to do shimmery or matte? I'm shimmery, why would I ever, no. Don't want to go sister stray. I'm like sister some. Sister's so good, it's like this champagne color. I wonder how he came up with like all the sister words. Like, when was that born? Am I too young in this community to know? It's not super clean, but I don't super care. Remember that waiter he hit on who was sister straight? We gotta sister speed this up. Oh my! I'm sister screwing this up. I need to sister save it. Is it sister saved? Or is it sister so bad? So I follow some sister fan pages. I don't even really know why. I don't think I ever followed James. Like, not like because I didn't want to, I just don't think I ever was. And those pages are all like, we sister stand by James. Wow, that like looks bad, but I think I need to move on. Wish I could sister see with both my eyes closed. Yeah, I think I'm trapped. Back with my best friend, M200. I'm gonna do the same transition color as before. Seriously, it just gives your eyes so much freaking dimension. Do you sister see that, or is it just me? If you need to pause or screenshot, this is your chance. Sister screenshot. Now, I don't go like super neat. I do about 2/3, and then I'm gonna take this tiny little nubby brush. Let's do that other really dark color again. What's it called? Benny? And I just do a little back and forth stuff. I don't want a wing like at all. I don't want it to extend out, so I'm just trying to do little circles. Sister circles, man, it's like easy to miss them. Okay, now I'm taking the brush that I used for the gold before to kind of help marry the two together. I'm gonna do my black eyeliner again over it just to add a little bit more dimension at my lash line. I'm totally pulling my eye do as I say, not as I do. Okay, I think I'm with that, right? Guys, I have like 6 videos that I've filmed and haven't edited. I guess I can't say I'm not a procrastinator. I need a sister suck it up and get it done. Editing is hard. Like I saw that video of TaTEA and she was saying like she didn't know how to like edit, she said. I'm like, okay, well then what did you do? Because like I do know, I took a class and I still just like really don't like it. Like I just want to afford an Andrew, you know? I want to like sister steal Andrew from Shane, from Sister Shane, and be like, hey, follow me around and make it look good. And it's like such a good audience because he like laughs at all their crap. Like, come laugh at everything. I sound so needy. Ow! I just wiped my sister's sclera. Do I have a sister smolder? I still need time to make a bevy before I hit the road. This brush, I'm just gonna use this palette because we're here. Mary, right? Is that this one? Oh wait, I think I like that. This one he uses a lot. Face. What is that for? Oh yeah, that's the like, hurry up and leave. Okay, does anyone do this? Like, I'll do my brush, but then I like get impatient and I'm like, okay, just put pigment on my face, please. Oh, that looks good. I feel like this is just like such a me look. Hi, focus, thanks. Overline? Like somebody is overlying. Oh, maybe Kristen. Yeah, I want to do that. I'm kind of regretting this, but I don't have time. There we go. Okay, we did it. I am off to go make some ducats. I'm really excited. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.